Getting rich is not as difficult as it may sound. You are actually making some mistakes and not going step by step. That's why you are facing failure every time. Well, in this video, we will tell you the 10 tips that will make you rich very easily. These tips are suggested by millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, so you must follow it. Watch the video till the end or you may miss some crucial guidelines. Now let's start. 1. Determine what you want to achieve with the money you have. Establishing your financial goals should be your first move. We've said before that the issue of wealth has several potential solutions. So, decide what you want to achieve. The first step in accomplishing your objectives is to create this list. Also, things need to be prioritized. In your life, what matters the most, and what can you part with? You can save more money if you cut out unnecessary expenses, but that isn't the purpose. 2. Alter your perspective on monetary matters. You must also alter your perspective on riches. How you see the possibilities presented by wealth is influenced by your schooling. You could believe that having a lot of money is crucial to happiness if your family didn't have much. Having a comfortable upbringing could make you value other things more. Both arguments are well-reasoned and simple to grasp. Pick the one that works best for you in terms of requirements. If you want to know more amazing financial tips and secrets, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Pay off your debts as quickly as possible. The average American finds this to be one of the most challenging but crucial tasks. When you're in deep debt, it's hard to make ends meet. It could be quite challenging to get out from under debt and achieve financial independence when interest rates on school loans and credit card debt are high. Seems like it wouldn't be helpful, would it? Making money will be challenging if you have no debt or very little debt. The other side is that having cash on hand is essential for paying off debt. Because of this, bucking the trend is difficult. One option to consider is debt consolidation or refinancing. One company that might assist you in consolidating your debts is Debt Payoff Planner and Tracker app. Paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first could help you save money in the long run if you reorganize your spending habits. 4. Stop fooling yourself into thinking you're eating too much. The dangers of consuming too much are likely well known to you. Countless Americans find themselves further in debt each year due to their insatiable quest for the latest and greatest in technology. With the rise of social media, the situation has only become worse. Putting yourself first and understanding that you don't need all the marketing gimmicks will allow you to earn more money. It goes without saying that this is easier said than done. The rich folks who flaunt their lavish lifestyles on Instagram make me envy their lot in life. And then there's the option to put off spending money in the hopes of amassing a fortune. 5. Make a budget and stick to it. But cutting corners isn't something we're comfortable with. If using shortcuts makes you unhappy, they won't help you achieve your objectives. Keep this in mind while you're creating your budget. As long as you're prudent, you may spend your money however you choose. Your personal finances will benefit from the 50-30-20 rule. To illustrate, this entails setting aside 50% of your post-tax income for necessities. Payments for necessities like food, petrol, insurance, and vehicles are part of this category, as are payments for housing-related expenses like rent or mortgage. One should account for the remaining 30%. Enjoy yourself, but don't go overboard with your spending. The remaining 20% need to be set aside for savings. 6. Achieve emergency fund. It is critical to have a solid savings account. A 3-month supply of living expenses should be saved up, since contemporary life is less predictable. You should never sell or purchase unnecessary items with this money. Instead, put it aside for emergencies. 7. Incorporate an additional revenue stream. Nowadays, having many streams of income is the norm. A more youthful demographic is more likely to launch an entrepreneurial venture, whether it's a side hustle or a full-fledged corporation. To generate money smartly, you need not leave your day job. With the advent of the internet, it is simpler than ever to earn some more cash. For instance, you may launch a blog and monetize it using Amazon Associate Marketing. Someone else you may meet who could be interested in supporting you is by starting a show. Launch your very own virtual shop. Invest in a workable company strategy. The next step is to launch your e-commerce site via social media. It will be easier for you if you have more intelligence. 8. Set a plan and agree on how much money you'll make and spend. Under sufficient pressure, some businesses are unexpectedly amenable to reducing their pricing. How about contacting your mobile provider or auto insurer and inquiring about other pricing options? If you are skilled at haggling, you may find methods to both save and spend money. 9. Get in on the action by investing. It is recommended to begin spending without delay. Put your hard-earned cash to good use while you're at it. Following Warren Buffett's advice, invest in a low-cost index fund. You should deposit your funds into an account that offers a high rate of interest. Put your money into high-yield CDs offered by reputable banks. Max out your employer-matched 401k and individual retirement account contributions. Invest in property with the intention of generating passive income via rental revenue. We have only recommended investments with a low probability of loss so that your money remains secure, but does its job. These are a few investing options to consider. Even though it may take some time, they will eventually generate a substantial amount of money. Taking a chance on risky business prospects is the way to go if you're a 30-something who wants to get wealthy fast. A potential drawback is the risk of losing all of your money. The potential rewards and hazards of an investment must be properly considered. 10. Look for a product or service in a rapidly expanding market. With careful budgeting and a high-paying career, you may achieve financial independence. The highest-paying occupations in the United States and globally are now those of psychologists, obstetricians and gynecologists, orthodontists, and anesthesiologists. Is there a trend here? An annual salary of $260,000 to $220,000 is typical for this kind of specialist. Even though you are having a low-salary job, you may also pick up side jobs, as we already said before, to increase your wealth. You may also ask for a raise from your boss. He or she may not agree to the raise, but at least there is some possibility that he will do the favor of increasing your wage. He will fire you for asking for the raise, but many people think that he will, which is totally a misbelief. So you must ask for a raise. That's all for today. These are the ultimate tips that will make you rich in 2024. These tips are said by millionaires like Sir Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Robert Kiyosaki, Elon Musk, and all other multi-millionaires. You can get rich by following these, but you will have to follow it and make it a habit. Do press the red subscribe button if you want to know more amazing tricks to get rich. We try to provide the best financial advice and the latest financial news as quick as possible, so you must subscribe our channel to stay updated. These tips are suggested by all of my friends, and almost all of them have seen positive results. So that's why we could confidently say that you will get rich because of these tips. Press the like button if you loved watching this video. Our videos take a lot of effort, so this small action of yours will help us stay motivated. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn. Add a comment below if you are having any queries or if you want any help from us. Thank you all for watching this video till here.